Hey y'all, it's your girlie Andrea back with another makeup tutorial. I went ahead and did kind of like a sultry, warm, glowy, kind of like transitioning into fall, you feel me? So take a look and let me know what you think. And I also wanted to add, I know I've been gone for like a month, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of things have changed. I bought a car, my business is booming, I moved, I got a whole new setup or whatever. So I'm trying to get the lighting right for y'all. So the lighting is going to be off in this video, but bear with me. It's still going to be bomb. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, any photographers or other, bloggers or whatever, like put your tips below as far as like what you think I should do with my lighting or what helps, whatever. Yeah, so go ahead, take a look at my video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also like, share, comment, subscribe, tell everybody about your girl. Okay, hello. So I'm taking Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is important because it actually fills in your pores and those smile lines and those little wrinkles underneath your eyes. So I do this every single time before applying foundation. And then we're using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color Cafe, I believe. I think that's shade 368. And we're going to take a fluffy brush and just press it in your face. Like, don't spread it around, but like press it in. So now I'm taking a foundation powder, something cheap by Sephora, I believe, and just setting that foundation before I do my concealer. I just press it in really good and set that concealer with a fluffy brush. So using Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer Palette in the color Cinnamon, I'm putting that underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose as well. And then I'm just taking a concealer brush and I'm taking my time blending out each side because it's major. Like, you can't really rush this process because you can't just like spread the concealer around. You actually have to blend it out since we put powder underneath it, if that makes sense. So just take a little extra time and blend that concealer out so it can give it like a seamless look, a seamless blend, if that makes sense. I also use MAC Concealer in NC50 and just focus that right underneath my eye. I don't really blend it out too much. I just want like a brighter highlight directly underneath my eye. So I'm just pressing it in using the same method. Just make sure I get it in the creases. Press it in really good, you know. So we're going to set all this concealer with Laura Mercier setting powder. And I don't bake, I just press as much powder as I can in my skin with the same brush. So once that's done, I usually stop my face here and start working on my brows and my lids, and then I'll finish my face once that's done. I use e.l.f.'s gel liner with an angled brush. I think it's like a MAC 220, I believe. 266, I believe. But yeah, so I still use the e.l.f. gel liner and outline my brow first and then fill it in. and then work my way towards the front, but just lighter strokes as I go move forward. I do up and down motions with the brush as I move towards the front because I want it to be like a super soft look. So I don't really put any more extra product on the brush. I don't want them too harsh. Coffee break, you feel me? So now I'm working on the other one. For whatever reason, this brow always comes out boxy and just, and you know how they say like brows are sisters, but in this case, these brows are friends. And I think the right brow, gets up and goes to work every morning, and the left brow decides to go, I don't know, shoot dice in front of the liquor store because, it's just it doesn't cooperate at all, if that makes sense. And I'll show you, but at this point, I'm no perfectionist. I just really, it's just whatever. Like, I'm not going to kill myself over how they look, but I wish the left brow would look better, but, what can you do? So, now I'm just putting some more of that matte concealer, an NC45 underneath my lids to carve them out. I do not carve the top part out. I don't want them to be like too sharp, So, and I really try to fill them in really good so the top is already decent looking anyway, so I don't have to over conceal. So I'm just lining my brows with the concealer, giving the tail a nice little, sharp edge. And I'm taking that concealer brush and spreading the concealer all over my lids and setting it with some Laura Mercier setting powder before I go in with this little MAC palette I got. I think this color is called Saddle, I think. And I'm using the flat brush and putting it just in the center. We're going to blend it out later. This is I believe a MAC 242 brush. I'm just patting it on so the color will be like, bright. And I'm taking a Morphe fluffy brush and just blending out any harsh lines, harsh edges. And then I'm taking this plum color out of the same palette, and we're going to add that to the outer part of our lids. Quick macaroon break. These are red velvet, so bomb. Get them from your local Whole Foods market. Okay, now moving along. I'm just packing on the plum color to kind of give it a good smoke. And then using Amber Lights eyeshadow by MAC. This is my favorite for whatever reason. I've been wearing this thing out with putting it in my inner corner. Like, it just gives it like, I don't know, it opens my eyes, it gives it a more glam look, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but I love it though. So I'm just using a super cheap eyeliner by Ulta that I randomly found, and I'm gonna do a cat eye today, girl. And then putting some Amber Lights on my brow bone. Just give me like a different attitude, like, I don't know. So I'm lining my bottom eye with a matte black eyeliner. I can't remember what brand it is. But then I just did the other eye. Added some lashes that I got off Amazon, link below. And now back to contouring my face. I used NW50. It's literally like a half shade darker. So I'm putting that first so it'll be easy to give it like a flawless blend from my concealer to my contour, if that makes sense. So Now, after this, I'm just going to go in with a darker shade, which we're going to use an eyeshadow to contour my cheeks. And I also use NW50 to contour my nose a little bit. I just do it very lightly because I don't really want my nose super snatched. I think my nose already looks bomb anyway. So, yeah. Then I'm just using some setting spray by Sephora. I think it's like primer water. And a Poshmetics highlighter. I don't know if y'all tired of me using this yet, but it is like so beautiful on my skin tone. So I'm putting that on with a fluffy Morphe brush. And then just kind of swirling it out to kind of give it a soft highlight. And just, layering it on. Okay, that might have been a little bit too much, but that's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just swirl it out. It'll be fine. Little bits on the bridge of the nose, and I don't know, it's something about this highlighter that just give me a whole nother attitude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a new person right now with this highlight on. Okay, now just using a dark brown lip liner by NYX, and my favorite nude lip, NYX liquid lingerie gloss in the color Spirit. You literally have my permission to use the entire tube, okay, like in one sitting, because it's that bomb. It's that bomb. I put a lot on because it's that bomb. So yeah, just blending that out. More. Add a little more, just a little bit more. Get it just right. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, so this is the look, Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the lighting. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know what you want to see from me next. And yeah, I'll put some pictures on the ends, and we're done. I'll see y'all on my next video.